1. What is OS? Answer. OS stands for Out of Specification, which refers to test results that fall outside the predefined acceptance criteria or specification limits. 2. What is the difference between OS and OOT? Answer. OS, out of specification, a result that is outside the approved specification limit. OOT, out of trend, a result that is within specification but deviates from historical trends. 3. What is the first step when an OS result is found? Answer. An initial laboratory investigation is conducted to determine if there was a possible laboratory error. 4. What should be done if a laboratory error is identified? Answer. A reanalysis should be performed, and the results should be compared with the original data. 5. How many phases are there in an OS investigation? Answer. 2 phases. 1. Phase 1. Initial laboratory investigation. 2. Phase 2. Full-scale OS investigation. 6. When is retesting performed? Answer. Retesting is conducted if there is a possibility of laboratory or operator error. 7. What is the difference between resampling and retesting? Answer. Resampling. A new sample is taken from the batch for testing. Retesting. The original sample is tested again without taking a new one. 8. Can a batch be released if an OS result is found? Answer. No. The batch cannot be released unless a proper investigation and corrective and preventive action, CAPA, is implemented. 9. What is CAPA? Answer. Corrective and preventive action is a system to investigate and correct issues to prevent recurrence. 10. How much time is allowed for an OS investigation? Answer. Typically, an OS investigation should be completed within 30 days. 11. What are the steps of an OS investigation as per FDA guidelines? Answer. 1. Initial laboratory investigation. 2. Full-scale investigation. 3. CAPA implementation and batch disposition. 12. What key documents are reviewed during an OS investigation? Answer. Analytical raw data, instrument logbooks, calibration, and validation records, testing procedures. 13. Which departments are involved in an OS investigation? Answer. Quality control, QC, quality assurance, QA, production regulatory affairs, RA. 14. Should OS data always be documented? Answer. Yes. All OS data must be documented as per good manufacturing practices, GMP, guidelines.